अरे यार, I don't know why I keep getting an error message when I file my tax returns. ये बार बार सेम चीज बोल रहा है, my PAN card is invalid, my PAN card is invalid. What do I do now? Don't want to get into trouble like this. Do this before July 1st, 2023. If you are an adult citizen of India, you must have these two things with you, your Aadhar card and your PAN card. But did you know that Section 139AA, the newest addition to the Income Tax Act, has made it mandatory for even Indian taxpayer to link their PAN card with their Aadhar? हर एक काम करने के लिए डेडलाइन तो होती ही है, and the government of India has given us a deadline too, 30th June 2023. और अगर नहीं किया तो then your PAN card becomes totally invalid. You end up like this. So how do you link your PAN? Go to this link and click on Link Aadhaar status to check if your PAN is already linked with your Aadhaar. If your PAN isn't already linked, click on Link Aadhaar and enter your PAN and Aadhaar number to begin linking and verifying. It's that simple and it can all be done within a few clicks. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and link them up. Remember to share this and follow us for more such content.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.